Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngecharacter ekhalise abantu iviki lonke last week, icharacter kaLikamva ophumayo ke emidlalweni ke Inimba. Guys, niyazi ukuthi he is brain damage and inhliziyo yakhe kuthiwa ingasithathwe iyonikwa ke uqhawekazi noma ke izothathwa vele iyonikwa ke uqhawekazi. Asazi mase vuma ke sevuka guys uqhawe sethi akayifuni inhliziyo ngoba ke uqhawe ke uya actor phela uzothi le inhliziyo ina akayifuni ngoba kwabula umfowabo kwasifaka inhliziyo yakhe yazofaka yena mhlawumbe ezo survivor hi wathini asazi ukuthi ufuna ukuphila ngani inkosi ngaphela ama donors awekho. Wo guys silana ke kuLikamva igama lakhe ke la ngempela uThepiso Jeme. He took it to his social media platform to share his heartfelt message to Mzansi and the production as a whole. Uyile wathi ke uThepiso Jeme wathi Likamvomvo kaDabs Ntsiki wathi every day on set of Inimba has been an acting masterclass for mna and an absolutely pleasure. I had incredible fun and got to work with the heroes, incredible bunch of artists. Wathi thank you at Hamilton Empire wasithi ke enkosi #Inimba Mzansi family. Base ke baya commenta ke Olunathi Mampofu bathi so well done, love your heart. Usisa Hewana okungumabandla wathi I'm proud of you young man, you brought all your light to Likamva here to the green room wisdom. So guys ba commenta abantu bakithi abanye babuzisisa ukuthi ngempela uyahamba uthi yeah mos I'm brain damage, so there is no way that I can continue working. So guys igama lakhe la ngempela as I've said Thepiso Jeme uneminyaka ke ewu27. Wazalwa ke ngo1997 guys, ngoMay. He is married, ushadile bakithi, usethathiwe lokhu ke kwangempela. Uneziqu ke zakho ke lokhu ade kwenza laphayana. uLikamva bachelor. He studied a Bachelor of Arts in Dramatic Art at University of Wits, appearing in a number of student production including Bossman and Lena. Kudala ke simbona khona la kodwa kulena ke Inimba I think most of us sizomkhumbula ngale character ke akade ke eyidlala ke kwiNimba as uLikamva. I don't want to lie guys, the first time I saw him I was like this guy I'm not so sure, but njengoba sekuse-exita nje I feel like he really nailed his character and we really enjoyed icraft yakhe ke njengababukeli ke beMzansi Magic kanye nabathandi ke beNimba. So yeah guys, farewell to him, we wish him all the best. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.